What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I'm really excited to say, and I'm kind of pissed off about the whole situation, but my green card finally arrived, and it took so long, and I'll explain exactly what happened and why I'm extremely pissed off. But before I start, make sure you hit the like button on this video. Also hit the subscribe button. And I do a giveaway every single week. So if you want to learn about that giveaway, make sure you stick around to the end of the video and you'll hear all about it. Now, this is long overdue. Everyone that has gotten the green card, or who even thought about getting the green card, or people even thought who didn't think they were getting the green card and then all of a sudden thought they were going to get the green card, 2 weeks later or 3 weeks later, they decided to get it. Right? And, they have it by now. I expedited shipping. I did all the things that I had to do. And for some reason, it just didn't come. So I had a huge issue with Amex. So this is the second problem that I've ever had with Amex. The first time I didn't get my bonus, which is huge. And this time I missed out on doing an unboxing video, which I've come to find out isn't really much of an unboxing. It's more of just like a here's your card and that's it. Not really an unboxing experience. But I had a huge issue. I ordered it on the first day and expedited shipping. It should have been here very quickly. And I decided to call up and say, what happened? Where's my card? What's going on? I hit like the tracking information and just didn't get anywhere with that. So then I talked to the customer service rep. He kindly said, oh, you know what, it must have got lost in the mail, or something must have happened and they shipped another one. That did not work. I was supposed to get it by November 1st, and then I didn't get that one. So then I let it wait, like maybe a week, and I was just like, all right, well, maybe something was lost in the mail. I'm just not really going to worry about it that much. A lot of stuff going on. And then I called again, and they said that it must have got lost in the mail, that they overnighted this one. So, and even overnight took 3 days, which doesn't make sense at all. I don't know what they were waiting for, but finally got it. Now I can unbox it, and I can talk about the green card and why I decided to get it. It's really simple. It's just a package. I'm sure everybody who has seen the unboxing videos have seen that it's just an envelope, a very thin envelope, which I expected a little bit more because, you have the platinum card, then you have, the gold card, and then you have the green card. So I would expect this to have a little bit more, but, it doesn't. Maybe they didn't want to waste paper because the card is considered, the green card, go green type of thing. So I guess that makes sense. All right, so one paper, and you get just the card. So, okay, so here's the card. It's not really much of an unboxing experience. It's a good card, decent card. Plastic card is not metal. Obviously, you know that. But it's definitely, I can say it has a little more weight than a regular plastic card, so maybe they have some sort of weighted material in here out of recycled plastic that has, that much weight. But it's still just a standard plastic card. I guess maybe I'm just overthinking it. Why did I plan on getting it? I already have the gold card. Why do I want to have the green card? Well, the fact that it offers such a broad definition of travel, something like Chase, made me second guess the next card that I was going to get. Because as you know, I was posting all over my channel where I was going to get the platinum card or I was going to get the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Chase Sapphire Reserve, there was an overwhelming amount of answers towards the Chase Sapphire Reserve. And I understand exactly what they mean by it. What everybody means by it is just that you have a broad definition of travel. You can use the credits more effectively, things like that. Now with this card, it seems like it's competing directly with the Chase Sapphire Reserve with a lower annual fee, and you don't really have to worry about using that credit every single year. Because like this year, I really wanted to travel, but we didn't really travel that much. So anywhere that we went was really local, and it just didn't really get to a point to where I took a plane most places. Now, this does fit in with my gold card. I did a gold card and green card video, the duo, and if you want to check that video out, I'll put it up in the cards. So if you don't know the information around the green card, this is a really good card. This is the whole reason why I got it. It kind of competes with the Chase Sapphire Reserve, just like I said. So you have a $150 annual fee, just like Chase Sapphire Reserve's $150 effective annual fee. I also have a video comparing that as well if you want to check that video out, just to basically weigh my options here. But then you also have a $100 away credit that ends in January. You have a 30,000 point bonus, which you can get a targeted 45,000 point bonus. I don't know if that's still going around. It should be. It's less than a month, I believe. Then you also have a 35,000 point bonus when you have referrals. So if you want to check out my referral link, go ahead and click that referral link to get this card, because like I always say, cards are good for trial runs. If you have the ability to get to minimum spend, then it makes sense for you to get a card that has a 30,000 point bonus, because you're making up that annual fee by using that bonus, and then you're figuring out if the card is worth it in that first year. So when a card has a bonus, it makes it easy on your life to decide if you should get that card or not. You do also get 3 times points on travel, 3 times points on restaurants, which kind of overlaps with the gold card. And then you have 2 credits. You get a Lounge Buddy credit and a Clear credit. So those are $200. It's $100 for the Clear credit, and it's $100 for the Lounge Buddy credit. So this card, all in all, is a really good card. And this is the whole reason why I got it, was because of that travel category. You have a broad definition of travel. The only thing they don't have in there is gas, which is something that, I get 3 times back on other cards that I use. So it doesn't really make sense for me. If they did give me it here, then I would use it here, but I can get 3 times back on other cards. But this card was a no-brainer for me. The fact that it came out, I did want to do an unboxing video as soon as it came out, not obviously as soon as it came out, because it takes a while to get here, but obviously it takes a month to get here. But I finally got it, and now I'm happy to say that I can put some spend on it that I wanted to put on it. All of the online stuff, I was able to do that, but anything that was in person, like government bills, things like that, then I can't do anything unless I have the card. So now I finally have the card, but I'm going to meet the minimum spend in the next probably 2 weeks. So it's not a problem, but I'm still upset with the fact that it took me this long to get this card. But I got it. This is the green card. Once again, a beautiful card. It's plastic. Obviously you want like the heavier cards. I turn heads with my gold card, even with my Propel card. I do. It just happens. But this is a good card. If you're looking to get this card, make sure you check out my referral link for an extra 5,000 membership rewards points. You can help you out and me out, because I'll get membership rewards points as well. But yeah, also the gold card, check out that link. And if you want a hotel card, check that card out too. You might as well just call out all the cards that are down there. But that's my video, guys. Thank you for watching. I know this unboxing video is not really an unboxing. It's unpackaging. I hate these types of videos. I always like when credit cards are an experience to open. This is what, like Graham Stephan's video where he has the JP Morgan Reserve card. That was a great unboxing video because it was an actual unboxing. With the Platinum card, it's an unboxing, but it's less of an unboxing now because they don't even add in the wooden block that you used to get. So I feel like credit cards, the main piece, the main experience of having a credit card is, one, using the card, and the second one I feel like is the unboxing. Looking at that card and seeing how, I don't know, well put together the presentation is. I don't know. Let me stop ranting here, but I just feel like that should be a thing. But hopefully you like this video. If you do, make sure you hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And remember that I do a giveaway every single week. I give away 2 Amazon gift cards at the end of the week. And all you have to do in order to enter that giveaway is just comment on at least one video for the week, like at least one video for the week, and also be subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you do all those things and you get 1 ticket in the hat, if you want multiple tickets, then just comment on multiple videos. If you want to check out one of those giveaways, my last giveaway, I'll make sure I put that up in the cards. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to have to get out of here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.